Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's a quick point of view video today. Thanks for everybody that has been following along these POV videos. They're new to my channel. They're kind of fun, something different to do, and I really enjoy looking back on the footage as I'm editing this, because it kind of gives me different. You realize, like I've said it before, you realize a lot of pictures that you missed when you're out walking. So it's kind of nice for that. But I was out today. Thanks to the suggestions, I'm going to shorten these up a little bit and just kind of focus on certain areas of the city, and we'll kind of do different parts, and we'll narrow them kind of down to one, block radius, one street radius. So I wanted to start off. This one is Stephen Avenue. If you've ever been to Calgary, Alberta, Stephen Avenue is kind of in the almost the center of downtown core, and it has been turned into like a pedestrian mall area. A lot of restaurants and some of the stores and some of the shopping are there, closed off to traffic during the daytime, so you can kind of walk around. A lot of stuff is obviously closed because of the whole situation, but what's starting now is the restaurants are going to be opening they can open on the patios now, starting to open up. So they're starting to kind of get ready. So I kind of got some pictures of them getting started to get set up. So I think in the next, as it kind of warms up a little bit in the next couple weeks, they'll start to open and have service on the patios. All the stores are kind of getting their spring clothing in the window, so a few pictures of those. It was nice relaxing walk to get out. Thanks to everybody though for following along. Thanks especially to all the other, there's been a few creators that have reached out to me on the channel with suggestions and tips and kind of letting me know what cameras they use on their channel for filming these POV videos, because it's new to me. So it's kind of fun to learn, so it's nice. I appreciate your help. I appreciate everybody's feedback. That's it for now. Hopefully you enjoy this video. If you aren't subscribed, consider subscribing, hitting like, all that good YouTube stuff. It really helps out the channel. And have a great weekend, everybody.